Drawing a face is simple when you use the right techniques. Let's get started. Step 1. Draw a circle. Begin by drawing a circle. This will serve as the base of your character's head. Step 2. Establish guidelines. Draw a vertical line down the center of the circle, extending it below the circle. Then draw a horizontal line across the middle of the circle. These lines will help you place the facial features accurately. Step 3. Outline the face. Draw a line from the left side of the circle, curving it down to meet the vertical line at the bottom. Repeat this on the right side. This defines the jawline and chin. Step 4. Map the features. Add more guidelines for the eyes, nose, and mouth. The eyes will sit on the horizontal line you drew earlier. The nose and mouth will be positioned between the horizontal line and the chin.
Finalize and shade. Erase any unnecessary guidelines and refine your drawing. Add shading to the hair and face to give it more depth and dimension. And there you have it, a front face drawing using simple guidelines. Keep practicing to perfect your technique.